In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Telegram group with different topics. If your group discussions bounce between casual chat, support questions, and announcements, topics help keep everything organized into tidy, focused threads inside one group. They work best in larger communities, but even smaller groups can benefit from the structure and clarity they provide. Start by opening Telegram. You can create a new group or open an existing one you manage. Once you are inside the group chat, tap the group name at the top of the screen to open the group's profile. From here, open the Manage section. Only admins see these controls, so if you don't see Manage, double-check that you have admin rights for the group. In Manage, look for the Topics option and toggle it on. This activates threaded conversations for the group. When you are done, tap Save to apply the change. With topics turned on, you can create your first one right away. Back in the group chat, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this may look like 3 dots or a plus sign. And you'll usually find it near the bottom left of the screen. Choose Create New Topic. Give your topic a clear, concise name, something like General for everyday chat, or Support for questions that need attention. Select an emoji to make it visually distinct and easier to spot at a glance, then tap Create. Your new topic appears as its own thread within the group, and members can enter it to read and reply without cluttering other conversations. As your group grows, repeat the same create flow for other areas you want to separate, such as announcements, events, or off-topic. Short, descriptive names work best, and using different emojis helps members quickly scan and jump to the right place. Admins have powerful tools to keep everything tidy. You can pin important topics so they stay prominent for everyone. You can also adjust permissions to control who's allowed to create new topics, which helps maintain order in busy groups. And if your community uses bots, you can run them within specific topics, so automated messages and commands stay contained to the most relevant thread, rather than spilling into general chat. That's it. Thanks for watching.